here. Foraging being any way an animal finds food in the wild. So I'm going to put Puzzle up on this perch here, and I'm going to put a nut in her cup. She's already started. She is using her feet and her beak to pull up the cup, similar to how she might manipulate a vine in the wild. She also has to use her feet and beak to balance the cup so she can get the treat out. Nice job, Puzzle.
That was super fast today, Puzzle. I'm wondering though if Eha can do it even faster. I'm going to put him on this perch up here. Put a nice big treat in this cup for him.
He's just fooling around.
What's
Lisa.
he doing? Hey!
What?
You know what? That was super fast, but he didn't get his treat. Oh yeah, I did. Yeah, I did.
Is that cheating or creative problem solving?
I'd say creative problem solving. Nice job, Eha. Now the trick training may seem like it's just silly and fun, but it does have a serious purpose. It's enriching for the animals because it gives them a problem to solve. It also helps develop a close relationship between the trainer and the animal.
That's right, and having a close relationship is very important to our work, especially when it comes to husbandry training, which is any way an animal partakes in their own care. So for an easy example, in the mammal department, they can train the lemurs to jump up on the scale so we can get weights, which is really important to make sure that they are growing as they need to be or maintaining healthy weights.
And we also use it in the bird department for nail care. So I can ask Eha, can I touch your toes? And he says I can. And then I can use my rotary tool just to grind his toenails down. It makes spa day here at the zoo completely stress-free.
That's right, spa day is extremely stress-free, but not as stress-free as I feel when I'm riding my scooter, Lisa.
That's weird to bring up right now.
It is a little weird, except I have this bird-sized scooter.
That's perfect for Mandubi.
I bet she can handle it. What do you think?
What do you think, Mandubi? We got a scooter over here with your name all over it. And I only see one problem. She doesn't have hands to hold on to those handlebars, but I think she's got it figured out. Yeah?
It is.
She's just slowly scootering along today. She's like, it's too hard to go fast today. Nice job, Mandubi. Now, yeah, thank you. Now, this is Mandubi. She is a hyacinth macaw, which is the largest of all the macaws. So she is a big bird, and so is Bo right over here. He is in training, so he's up here just getting used to the sights and sounds of the bird show. But we've seen the birds do lots of cute things today, including riding a scooter. How many of you are thinking that you would like to have a macaw as a pet? I see a few hands going up, a few hands. Well, for a lot of people, it's definitely time to do your research because they don't make good pets for a lot of people because of several reasons. But first of all, they can bite really hard. And I'm going to try to demonstrate today how hard they can bite. But I'm going to need a volunteer to help me out with my biting demonstration. There, I saw your hand come up here to the railing so I can hear you. What's your name? Jacob. Let's give Jacob a great big round of applause. So Jacob, how many fingers do you have? 5. Excellent. You're going to need those. No nut allergies, Jacob? No nut allergies? All right, we're going to have a little bit of a contest. We've got an English walnut for you, Jacob.
Oh, I'm sorry. Wow, that's flipped right out.
Squeeze it as hard
Don't drop
as
it like
you
I
can. I'll give you a head start. I'm
break
going to
it.
give one
You
to
can use both
Mandubi. And, oh, you know what? She's already got it open, but I'll give one to Bo, too.
Maybe you can be Bo. Huh?
Nope.
Well, that is all right. You don't have a beak, but you do have very useful fingers, and I'm going to use those to hand you this very cool bird sticker.
Give Jacob another round of applause for being our great volunteer. Good job, Jacob. So Mandubi has a very special beak that is made for opening seeds and nuts. And if Mandubi or Bo get a hold of your finger, any of these birds up here get a hold of your finger, it is really going to hurt. In fact, Bo can break a broomstick with that big beak of his. They are very powerful biters.
That's right, and it's not the only reason that they don't make the best pets. You have probably heard that they can get awfully loud, especially if they're confined in a space like your house or apartment. They poop every 15-30 minutes and like to take things apart with their beak. And finally, they're a long-term commitment. They live 40 to 60 years and sometimes even longer. That said, we have the perfect solution for you. No mess, no noise, available in our gift shop. You can get one that looks like yeehaw. Take one home today.
Excellent. So we have another special guest coming up here.
Oh boy, it's Hannah again, and she brought a laughing kookaburra named Nova. So as she's coming through, we're going to ask you to stay in your seat so we're not startling her, but you will take a look at her and notice she doesn't look an awful lot like the birds that are up here on stage. And that's because, unlike these macaws, which are part of the parrot family, Nova is part of the kingfisher family and is in fact the largest species of kingfisher. This is a carnivorous species and she is well adapted to tracking her creepy crawly prey. If her body is moving, her head can still remain perfectly still, as Hannah is demonstrating, and that's useful if she's perched on a branch swaying in the breeze. She can still keep laser focus locked on those insects, worms, amphibians, mice that are roaming the grass beneath her. And of course, she is called a laughing kookaburra for a reason. We're going to see if she would like to demonstrate that today. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Help me out.
Yay! Now that's a laughing kookaburra. Thanks for coming out, Hannah.
Thank you.
And so you've got our race all set up here.
Yeah, I was thinking we could see what bird could fastest take these rings and put them on this peg. What do you think?
All right. Well, who do you want to be on your team?
Let's see if Simon would like to do it today. Hey, Simon, what do you think? Are you interested in racing? You are?
He is, very much so. All right, I'm going to choose Iha to be on my team, but Iha is a professional ring stacker, so I'm going to make it a little bit fair here with this, a little bit fair for you. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Let's make some noise for these birds.
Simon,
Let's go.
Simon, 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 Simon. Oh my gosh, yes! Oh my gosh, you could actually win this thing. Oh, he got distracted.
He got distracted.
Oh,
Good job, Simon. That was a close win. Now what we're going to do right now is we're going to bring Simon down to the donation box. Simon's going to take donations and put them in the box for you. So any sort of bills at all, 1s, 5s,
20s, 100s, winning lottery tickets, the deeds to your house should all fit in that box.
it all goes right back to these birds. But for a donation of $5 or more, Simon will pose for a picture. He'll be right beside you for a photo that you can take on your own phone. So $5 for a photo. Good job, Simon.
Thank you guys so much for coming today. Our hope is that you will continue to learn about these amazing macaws and become the best advocate for wildlife species that you can be.
And be sure to join them for the 2:30 mini lecture. It'll be right over here at the cougar habitat. It's a good time to see them up and moving around. Thanks, everyone.
Amazing.
It's a big stack. Place it up here. Give it to Simon.
Look here, Ray.
Ray, you should look at Papa.
Good job, Simon. All
Ray,
right.
can you look at
You
me?
wanna
Look at
stand
me.
right over here.
Ken, over here.
There you go.
Better.
All right, you want to put your back right up against there?
Yeah,
And
turn around,
Turn
Ray.
around, and Simon will be right beside you.
Ray, look at us. Look at us.
Good job.
There, Bobby's got it.
Oh, Simon's
Oh, look, she's waving. The birdie's waving.
Good job.
Bird it is.
Simon, thank you.
Wave it in.
Right.
You two get up
We're
there.
going to do a couple. We're going to do a couple.
Okay, let's go. Look, Daddy's on his way.
Do something with that bird.
Want to give him this money first, and then we'll take a picture? There we go. Oh, you got it, Simon.
Mama, you see the bird?
Oh,
Would you like me to take it so you can get it?
oh my
Yeah.
gosh.
Get out of the sun.
Right. How about you? Put heart. Take a couple. Just make sure we're getting it. All right. Good job, bud.
Give Simon some money. They're gonna get it all. Yeah. Perfect. Here we go. Do you want to give it to him?
Watch it go first. There we go.
Good boy, Simon. Oh, Simon's so good at that.
No, I was gonna get one for them all together. 'Cause I, yeah, did.
Okay.
They're both It says either way.
Oh, Simon, that was a trick. A trick.
Sorry, we tricked you, Simon. I didn't mean to trick you.
Okay.
We're gonna do it again, buddy. You got this.
You got this, Simon.
There we go, Simon.
You got it.
Here, you want to try one more time? Try it, Eva. There.
You got it.
Okay,
Hey, girls. Eva.
Ooh.
Thank you.
That's amazing.
They're a lot of fun.
Yeah, a lot of fun. Yeah. It's a click up.
We actually don't. We just tell them good and give them the treat.
Okay.
A little bit of excitement in your voice really goes a long way with these guys.
You want to hang out with me while I clean? You want to just hang out while I clean? That's going to be really difficult to sweep one-handed. There you go. Hi, you're so cute. Oh, you just want to hang out, huh?
Okay.
Well, I give you a little ride. All right, step up. Thank you.
They're making a screw. That's amazing thing. You build this, making a screw. Ooh.